Hi fans, I'm in Ljubljana by the river Ljubljanica, and today I will take you to a special place which has a story to tell, and this is the garden. So this is a garden that I was talking about. It has a nice shade, and behind it this is river Ljubljanica. I am in a pub called Povodni, and it means underwater man. And I promised you a story. This is a story about Urška and underwater man. And Urška was a beautiful, young and very vain woman, which no man could resist. And one day she was sitting here, flirting with all the men, and suddenly underwater man jumped from river Ljubljanica, grabs her and took her to the depths. So there you have it. If you ever visit Ljubljana, be nice, because the underwater man is waiting. I will enjoy my toast now here, soak up the nature, drink a little bit of beer, and you join my quest and visit Ljubljana. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yummy, yummy from the tummy.